Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic shortcut tutorials how to move image. Okay, for example, I will insert a video. I will use this video and you can move the video into a timeline. Now we need to insert the image, click open file again, and then in here I will insert example image. So I will use this image as example. Click open, and then you need to create for video track. Click at this icon, timeline menu, click track operations, and then click on add video track. Now you can move this image into video track. After it, we can scale, move, and rotate this image. You can go to filter, select the image, and then click plus icon. You can type in here like size, and click at this icon, size, position, and rotate. Now you can click at these points to rotate, and then to move for this image, you can click in center points, like I will move into here, and then you can resize again. So very easy to move the image by using these filter tools, size, positions, and rotate. Okay, that's it for basic shortcut tutorials, how to move image. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.